Beautiful winter's day here in Perth. 1 minute mindset reset. What is your process for identifying your best trade setups? Great question. So it comes back to the day count of the week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, knowing where you're at overall in the trend. Okay, and I talked about session timing. So, you know, my objective, regardless, right now in Perth, we have the advantage of having 3 sessions available during the day: Asia, London, New York. But coming back to certain markets, American markets, indexes, they will move obviously potentially greater in the US session, but that comes back to day 1, day 2, day 3. You can get a high of the week trade in London. We can get a secondary trade in the US. Currency markets Asian pairs can move in Asia 2 days of the week, and the other days they may move in London or the US session. So it comes back to what type of trades are you trying to identify? What is your time frame for trading? So I know some traders are just there at the screen trying to buy the low and sell the high all day. And as I talked about, you want to be able to tag your best trades, know what they are, know how they develop and build, know how they're going to come in and present in a session, and then have a basket, 4 or 5 pairs. You don't have to follow currencies. They can be, you can do currencies, you can have a commodity, you can do gold, whatever your experience dictates, but then be able to filter through those and identify 1 or 2 prime candidates. Shut the other stuff off. That comes back to another thing. When you're at the screen, if you're focused, get off the chat rooms, get off social media, shut everything down and focus. If you're not serious, then you're probably going to keep struggling because you're distracted. And all distractions are the same. They're distractions. So the process itself is what's going to take you to that next level. The next level for me is low stress, high probability, high execution, and high risk reward or risk reward that's consistent in terms of being able to hit the trade, nail and bail. Basically there's 3 types of trades: reversal trades, session trades, and trend trades. That's pretty much it. Those are my main focus. I don't try to make it complicated. And as you've seen, I am biased to the short side. So, I look for simple stuff. If it's not there, you obviously get to the point where you can look at a chart and go, that's just not set up today, or it's not the way I need to see it in order for me to have a high probability trade setup. Next pair. Okay? And maybe there's days you're going to need to sit on your hands and just shut it down. And that's part of trading, because those are the days that if you don't shut it down, guess what happens? And I think we've all been there. So inch forward, keep inching forward, push the boundaries on yourself. Okay? Doesn't mean you have to push the boundaries on your trading. Push the boundaries on yourself to constantly improve. But the process is what it all boils down to, because you can all identify what your best trade setups are, okay, whatever they are. Maybe you have trend trades. Maybe you have trend trades that you like to hit. What is your process for making sure that you pick up when there's a key candidate for your best trade setup? Keep it simple, traders. Love the feedback. Keep it simple. Thanks for the emails and comments. I hope this is your best trading week ever. Keep it going. Keep getting better, 1% better every single day. And may the markets go with you.